everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick little get ready with me. It seems slower because I'm trying to go slow just so you can see what I'm doing. I did my hair and my makeup. I did a little bit of like my everyday look with like a little bit more because today is Easter when I'm recording this and I want to have my makeup be like nice and bright for photos and things like that. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see any more get ready with me videos. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is just getting my hair out of my face, and then I'm going to look super awkward and do a weird dance. I've already applied this St. Tropez like little self tanner on my face, and then I'm going to spray some MAC Prep and Prime. Once that's nice and dry, I'm just using this Age Rewind concealer under my eyes, and this is in the color Ivory. I'm also just putting it in my highlight areas as well. Now I'm just going to dab that all in. I am the most awkward get ready with me person ever because I don't usually do them. So now I'm applying this Naked foundation, and I feel like I really like this so far. It's like my third bottle. However, I was debating trying the Double Wear by Estee Lauder. Which one do you like better? This is just this NYX primer for your eyeshadow. I literally use this palette every single day. If I don't use this palette, I use my bronzer on my eyeshadow. So I'm just applying Toasty to my eyes. Also, I will try and link most of the makeup below if I can find it. Now I'm just applying a little bit of passion fruit on top of that to give it a little bit of a pink tint to it. And now I needed some baby love, so I'm giving my tan man some kisses. I'm using Humble now, and I'm putting this just on my eyelid. Also going to apply some to under my eyebrow, and yes, I'm just using my fingers for this. Next I'm using Beaming, and I'm also going to put that on my eyelid. It just gives it a really pretty shimmer and kind of just makes your eye pop. I know it's a huge debate and you're not supposed to pull on your eyes, but I literally cannot do my makeup without pulling on my eyes. I know it's going to give me wrinkles. You guys tell me all this stuff all the time. I'm aware, but I actually can't do my makeup without doing it that way, as you'll see with my eyeliner. And this is the Maybelline eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. It comes with this little brush, and I am really horrible with liquid eyeliner. Pencil eyeliner kind of just like smudges off on me, but this is the best. I feel like the brush is stiff enough that it can go on like a pencil, whereas with liquid eyeliner I just get it all over my face. Now I'm just going to use this CoverGirl Ink It in the Blackest Black. My Maybelline was in Blackest Black as well, and I'm just going to use that on my waterline. Okay, just cleaning that up, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply another little layer of concealer, and this is the Tape Shape. I love this concealer. I feel like I need multiple concealers because mom life, and you can see I have huge bags under my eyes. And for this one, the color is Light Sand. So I'm just going to apply that and then dab it in. The next palette is Everything. It's Too Faced Cocoa Contour, and I feel like I was really late to the game with contouring as well as filling in my eyebrows, and they really do make such a difference in your makeup, as you'll see. So I used to think that contouring was so hard and so much work, but it literally takes 2 seconds and just makes your makeup look more complete. So I'm taking the darkest shade and just kind of outlining my face and my jawline, just to kind of give your face that nice chiseled look. And then I'll take the color that's a little bit lighter and I'll put that right under my cheekbone. I'd also just like to say that I'm not against drugstore makeup. I used to use it all the time. However, I feel like I was buying it more often. So instead of buying a bunch of drugstore makeup that's cheaper, I just get the expensive thing less often. And it also is so much better. My skin doesn't break out like it used to. So now I'm just applying this dark color to my nose. I feel like this is the hard part. I'm trying to go slow just so that you can see it, but I'm telling you, this whole entire makeup routine doesn't take that long at all. It probably takes me 15 minutes. I've learned to do it really, really fast because I have 3 kids and I don't really get to do my makeup that often. So I am just going to blend all of this in and make sure that I don't look like the deer costume on Halloween.
So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop.
Next, I'm using the light cocoa and I'm just going to put that down my nose to highlight it. I'm also going to use that same shade under my eyes.
I take you around my life, jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
Now I'm using Rocketeer. This is like a blush that has like a little bit of a gold tint to it. I feel like it's not showing up as bright as I'd like it to, so I'm also going to apply my Sigma blush on top of it. Also, all of my brushes are from Sigma. I love their brushes. This is my second time getting their brushes. Okay, now that that's done, I'm moving on to my eyebrows. This is a Benefit eyebrow pencil, but it has everything you need in it, so that is totally up my alley. So first I use the lighter color, just push it up, and then I'm going to fill out the first part of my eyebrow. Then I'm going to use the darker color and use it towards the end of my eyebrows.
I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life, jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
And now Carter is coming in for a kiss. They're not used to mommy having this much time to get ready. Now there is a definer part of the pencil. I love this part because it just makes your eyebrows look super fresh. I'm just going to put that around my brow and then rub it in. There is also a portion of this that is highlight, so I'm just going to put that on my brow bones as well. This Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara is my favorite. I've probably been using it since last summer. It is just the best. I absolutely love it. Now we are moving on to my hair. I'm just going to kind of comb it out with my fingers and then spray it with some tresemme hairspray. And you can see here my postpartum hair breakage is pretty awful, but that's actually the breakage that is growing back in. So it is getting better. So I'm just going to spray all of my hair. And next I'm just going to section it into 2 parts, and then I'm going to start curling the bottom. I do like to use the wand sometimes. I used the wand in my last Get Ready With Me, but lately I've been liking this curling iron. I got it from Amazon. It's by Hot Tools. So I just initially roll it all up. And then I kind of just continue to clip it as I go downward to make sure I'm curling all of my hair. I also just want to say I'm obsessed with this robe. I've had it since I was pregnant with Tanner, so it's over 2 years old, but I think they may still have it at Pink Blush.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than
Okay, now that my hair is done, I'm moving on to my lips, and I'm just using a NYX lip liner and kind of using it as a lipstick. I could not do it in the camera. I had to look closely in this mirror over here, so sorry about that. I am just not that talented. So just filling it all in, and then I'm going to cover it with some NYX gloss in my favorite color, Eclair, and in a bind. You can order it on Amazon Prime.
down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you.
So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and let me know if you'd like to see more Get Ready With Me videos.